Ever stared at an API bill and wondered why one call costs 10 times another? Let's crack open exactly what you're paying for. Language models don't read words, they read tokens, small chunks of text that get counted and charged one by one. One token is roughly 4 characters, or about 3/4 of a word, so a 500-word page runs about 650 tokens. Your prompt, system instructions, chat history, documents, even tool definitions, it all merges into one counted pile called input. That's input, everything you hand the model before it says a word back. The model thinks, then writes its answer word by word, and every one of those words lands in a separate, more expensive pile. The output, what comes out, is metered completely separately from what went in. Per token, generating a response typically costs 3 to 6 times more than reading your prompt. Here's why step by step. Say one call sends 1,000 input tokens and gets 300 back. Input is priced at 1x, so those 1,000 tokens cost 1,000 units. But output runs 5x, so those 300 tokens cost 1,500 units. Fewer tokens out, yet a bigger slice of the bill. It makes sense. Generating fresh text is simply harder work for the model than reading what's already there. Here's the thing, your system prompt and instructions often look identical, call after call after call. Prompt caching lets you store that repeated block the first time you send it, for a small premium. That first write costs about 25% more than normal input, a one-time entry fee. You pay that bit extra exactly once, not on every call. Every time after that, a cache hit reads that same content back for about 90% less than the normal price. That cached content usually stays alive for about 5 minutes, refreshing each time you hit it, or you can stretch it up to a full hour if you ask for it. Same content sent again and again, but priced like a rerun, not a premiere. Every bill breaks down into 3 prices: input tokens, output tokens priced higher, and cached reads priced lowest of all. Let's put real numbers on a single prompt, one line at a time. Start with the input. 1,000 input tokens priced at 1 times the base rate comes to 1,000 units. Next, the output. 300 output tokens priced at 5 times the rate comes to 1,500 units. Finally, the cached read. An 800 token system prompt priced at just 1/10 of the rate comes to only 80 units. Add the input and the output together, and one uncached call runs about 2,500 units. Lean on the cache instead, and that same call drops to roughly 800 units. Now scale it up. At 1 million calls a month, the uncached path costs 2.5 billion units, while the cached path costs just 800 million. That gap, the difference between 2.5 billion and 800 million units, is the exact line item your FinOps and governance plans should budget against. Pull any of those 3 levers and your bill moves with it. Send less and you pay less. Generate less and you pay less. Repeat the same content and caching pays for itself. That's the whole bill demystified.